it's how to draw from Welcome to Nana's. We're going to take the sphere shape that we learned how to do with that light coming from the upper right hand side and casting the shadow down to the bottom left with a little bit of shading on the sphere, and we're going to make it into a clementine or an orange. So we notice that it has this little star-shaped area around its stem, so I make a black dot for the stem and that star shape, and then it has these little dips that come out from the stem that I draw the little lines out and add a little shading, and I'll smudge it a little bit. And the other thing that an orange or a clementine has is kind of these little pit marks all over the skin of the orange. So I lay the pencil over slightly on its side and draw small dots. And I draw more dots in the shaded area and smaller, less dots in the area that is the highlighted area where the light would hit it if we had a light to that upper right hand side. I'm going to add a little bit more shading and even some more contour lines, and I will smudge it a little more. Just keep adding a little bit more to it until you're happy with it. Again, a little more shading around the stem or anything else, maybe adding a few more pock marks, comparing it to the clementine that you have there in front of you. So there's my shading and a little more smudging. And we have something that looks fairly 3D using that original sphere shape, which is pretty cool. I'm just adding a little bit more there to make it look a little more dimensional. You do what you feel like you like too, not too much smudging. But again, it's how to make a clementine from that sphere shape. Come to welcometonanas.com for more drawing tutorials. Next time, we'll be drawing a baseball.